Top of the morning, you magnificent bastard. What's up, dog? Getting ready to move his skin there. What are we gonna get into today? Already have his little morning salad ready there. A couple of wormies. But he typically basks in the morning here for about 30 to 40 minutes. Then he'll get hungry, start looking around for crickets. I do have crickets in his terrarium. But top of the morning, buddy. Top of the morning. And it looks like his basking is up. He saw a couple of wormies and now he's having his breakfast. He's camera shy. Every time I put the camera on him, he'll stop. Oh, wait. Eats his greens. Let's go.